Okay, so now the test is over for this particular phase, and it's time to retrieve our sensor from the test solution. So again, we can use the handles to lift. Take it over to a handy table. Okay, so we can go ahead and remove this cable, unscrew the sleeve, and once again, no twisting, just light jiggling, pulling straight out, like so. Okay, and now we can remove the sensor and do the wing nut. Pull out the thumb screws. Sensor comes out like so. And just push the rubber O-rings to the side. Get the bag loose. It comes straight off. Now we can set it up on its side. First we pull the electrodes out. Set those to the side. And very simply pull these rubber rings out of the way. And then put the sensor back in the salt water. And we're done with removal of the sensor.
Okay, and the next step will then be the uploading of the data, right?
Yes, the next step will be uploading data from the instrumentation chamber.